Hey, how's it going? Sketch Monster here. Today I'm going to go over how to draw a really cool scene out of the Mario movie. That is where Donkey Kong is like swatting Mario into the ground. It's real simple, really easy, real fast. We're going to go through it together. Let's jump right into it. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over a scene from the Mario movie. It's going to be when Donkey Kong pretty much is beating up Mario. So anyways, that's pretty much it. Let's get started, okay? It's going to be for beginners, and follow along with me. If not, just watch. Alrighty, I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to draw a curvature right here for the front of Donkey Kong's mouth. Line right here for a little bit of Donkey Kong's nose right there. Pulling up. Brow line up. Curvature down. Kind of for the mouth right there. He's kind of like, ooh, what's going on? Let's get his lower lip. Pull out right there for his lower lip. Downward. And that's going to roll into kind of just his under jaw here. Cool. Gonna go pull a line in, down for his eye area. Downward here, in for the eyelid. Downward here, in right there for the actual open eye. I'm gonna draw a little bit of a dot here because he's gonna be looking this direction. You'll see why. Let's go over here, out for the top, down. Before anything else, I'm sorry, let's get in the nostril. Let me know if you saw the Mario movie already, all right? Like, let me know. Say what's up, say hey in the comment section. I'd love to know what you thought about it. Curve over here, on the side. Zigzag over here for his ear. So we're gonna go over here, curve out for his ear, curve underneath, curve around, down over here for the ear. Down. All right, now we're gonna have his arm kind of go down. So right here, we're gonna go zigzag for kind of the furriness of his shoulder. Down. Maybe gets a little bit bigger here, the forearm down here. Pulling back up. And kind of in this area, I'm gonna end it. So over here. So zigzag over here. All right, let's go over here to the top of his head. Curvature right there for the front of for the top of the head, and he's got this kind of like spike here, curl at the front of the top of his pointy of his head, down right there. Gonna keep pulling back here. There we go. He has his tie, so you're gonna have a little line right here for the tie kind of coming around there. But we're gonna pull this in here. Let's go over here for his back. I'm kind of wiggling it down because again, I want it to look furry. Curve right here. Curvature down here for one of his legs, down. Flat foot. Back right here for his other leg. It's kind of going in the back. Again, fuzzy. All that's fuzzy except for the feet. Right now, so he has 2 feet here, and then we got his hand right here coming out of that furry mess. Right there. Cool, cool. Let's draw a little bit of a difference in, like, you know, color right there of the stomach. Right on. And now we're going to have probably the most important part over here. It's going to be Donkey Kong slamming Mario. So let's draw, let's see. So right here, we're going to draw a line up for Mario's overalls, kind of his leg. Lower part of his pants. Right there for his shoe. Other part of the lower part of the shoe. And we're going to pull a line here for kind of his waist. Line over here for his waist. Line up. Curve for his arm now. We're kind of going over here for his arm. So it's kind of like an L shape, right? Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button, and you know, if you like the Mario movie, hit that like button so I can draw maybe more from it. Definitely let me know what you think of everything in general. Say what's up. Say, you know, hey, what's up in the comment section. I read every single comment, okay? Curvature here for the back. And we have his hand right here, and now we're gonna have his hand kind of just flailing upward pretty much, and this should be pretty easy. So we got his pinky finger there, like his thumb on this side, and then over here on this side you're gonna have his hand kind of like flailing up, just kind of like ah. All right, over from here, we're gonna draw a curvature here. Mario's head just kind of being squished. So let's just go over here. We're gonna draw, that's gonna be Mario's hat. Circle right there, butting up against, it's a circle right there. Line, line, line. Curvature of kind of Mario, you know, he's kind of, his eye's gonna be like a U shape because, you know, kind of like, because he's kind of like, you know, being squished down a little bit. Maybe put a little eyebrow above it. About over this area, we're gonna put his ear over here. And then curve right there for underneath. And he, maybe for where his mouth is going, ooh. You know, like he's getting boop, he's getting bopped a little bit. He's getting rocked. Right there for back of his hair. Right here for the back of his hat area. But above all, we're gonna have Donkey Kong's hand right there. See right here, we have his finger. The other finger, just kind of knocking him down a peg, you know. And then we have his arm kind of coming over here as well. So we're gonna see his fuzzy arm right there as he's kind of slamming Mario down. Pretty much. Does Mario have like a belt on the overalls? Not really, you know. But I'm gonna go over here and draw this because he's like slamming him down. It's over there when he's on the bridge, so. Let me draw a line over here for kind of like, you know, the clothing and stuff like that. This is the movie, so it's a little bit different. But that's it. That is Donkey Kong slamming down Mario, kind of like very unimpressively, and he's just very like, whatever, right? One thing I want you to know is that I want you to know if you like coloring books, go check out the coloring books we have on Amazon. It's going to be the very first link, like right at the top. Go check that out right at the top. Go take a look at that right now. The more you look at that, I mean, sorry, like if you like coloring books, absolutely go take a look at that. Lots of cool stuff, and there's more to come too. So thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video, and I'll talk to you very, very soon. You are amazing. You are an amazing artist, and just keep drawing, and you'll absolutely you'll do some amazing stuff. So thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. See ya.